meditation. So, Prashna is a section where we are trying to know more and more about the Aruna Swabhava of Surya Bhagavan. So, Aruna Swabhava is love. That crimson color is a sign of love, affection, sustenance, and all that. Therefore, we are really blessed to be able to spend some time.
Yes, sir.
Know more and more about the Aruna aspect of Aditya. Because Aditya Bhagavan is a big subject by himself. It's a big subject, big science and big technology and all that. But we are only concerned about the Dayardra Swarupam, Drishti Purna Swarupam of Paramatma, who is high radiant energy and power and thermal power and all that. So we are just trying to know about him. So Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.
Bhadram Karne
Vishruyama Deva Bhadram Karne Pashyema Kshabhirjatraha Sthirairangai Stushtvagum Sastanubhi Veshema Deva Hitayadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddhashravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti na Starkshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti no Bruhaspatir Dadatu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om. Shanno Bhava Chakshusha. Please repeat, I tell once.
Shanno Bhava Chakshusha. Ha. Sir.
Yeah. Shanno Anha.
Shanno Anha.
Bhanuna.
Bhanuna.
Sham Hima Sham Grunena.
Sham Shiva Sham Grunena.
Yatha Shamadhvam.
Yatha Shamadhvam.
Shamasadhurone.
Shamasadhurone.
Tatsurya.
Tatsurya.
Dravinam Dehi Chitram.
Dravinam Dehi Chitram.
Asmakam Deva.
Asmakam Deva.
Ubhaya Janmane Sharma Yachata.
Ubhaya Janmane Sharma Yachata.
Vipade Chatushpade.
Dvipade Chatushpade.
Padatvibata.
Padatvibata.
Urjayamanam.
Urjayamanam.
Asitam Tadasme.
Asitam Tadasme.
Shamyorarapo Dadhatana.
Shamyorarapudadhatanaha.
Om Shanti
Shanti
Shanti.
Shanti.
So now we are at the verge of the knowledge regarding the people, their birth and the kind of birth and the reason why they are born and all that we have noted in the previous session. In other words, we have done that. Te sarira prapajyante yatha punyasya karmanaha apanya padake shasaha tatra te yo nijajanaha mrutva punarmrutyuma pajyante adyamana karma bihi ashatikaha kriyashatikaha krimaya iva adapuyante vasavaihi. So we have covered up to here, saying that those sannyas obtain incomplete bodies. They would be fatal, born with defects either in hands, in the feet, or in the hair. And they get births commensurate their sins. The sinners remain to be those, and there are also some more sinners who do not have any eligibility also to be born again, but they cannot. So there is that kind of discrimination. So Aruna Prashna is a source to provide us knowledge regarding the hell, because hell is one where which is not liked by light or Surya Bhagavan. Hell is darkness. Therefore, we make a special prayer in future. The hells are there in all directions, but Paramatma should help us to bypass that and go to heaven.
Mhm.
We don't want to go to bus stand or railway station. When your destination is something different, therefore you can bypass and not touch the city and all go away. So manner on the way, probably hell will come, and we don't want to touch hell at all. We just want to bypass. Therefore, for that kind of facility, only Surya Bhagavan is good. So the Sarira is related, and the defects of bodies. And again, it is said that when they are sinners continuously, even though they are born, they don't remain constantly in birth only, because in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that Punarjanma is Dukkhalayam. In 8th chapter, Krishna tells that Punarjanma is Dukkhalayam and also Ashashvatam. These are the two descriptions which Krishna told Arjuna in Gita, that don't aspire for Punarjanma. Uche Janmalona, Nive nak Pendlamga undu, Nive nak Bhaktiga undu, Nive nak Kudugga undu. Very stupid ideas according to our Veda Rishis. Because ఈ జన్మలో లేని అనుభవాలు వచ్చే జన్మలో వస్తుంది అనుకోవడం అనేది I don't know. Let us not hope what is this hope, because the birth is simply not under our control. It is under the control of Paramatma. So avasyaha janaha, it is said that a man has no controls over his own journey of life by himself. Therefore, here you have got one more beautiful statement given by the Rishi, that Mrutva punar mrutyuma padyante adyamana swakarmavi. So they say the sinners die and again get death. And because birth is asashvatam and death is asashvatam. Even to death is also impermanent and birth also impermanent. We are just have got to go through. That's why we don't want to be sandwiched between birth and death. Sandwiches you enjoy, but this kind of life between birth and death is not pleasant. Therefore, he said, and if at all they are born, adyamana swakarmabihi, so their own karma will be the guidance for them. ఎవరు ఎన్ని రకాలుగా గైడెన్స్ చేసినా కూడా అల్టిమేట్లీ ఆత్మానం విద్ధి అంటాడు. సో ఉద్ధరేద్ ఆత్మనాత్మానం, because the atma, the self, has some property, and that property only we can enjoy. So nija asti, swanta asti is always good, like that. And if not, you get it your birth by chance with defect or no defect, then they are able to live upon like the small worms which are short-lived, trying to get better janma, better life and all that. So only human being, as we noted, lives only for long time, 120 years. Generally, no insect will live 120 years. No cat lives, no dog lives, no cheetah lives. But they're all short-lived lives, but only human life. So, like the short-lived lives of beings, we will be just doing. And when you are properly managing your time, then vasavaihi puyate tataha. The vasavas are the kiranas, are the gods. So the kiranas help and make them purified, and on the other hand, they also make the krimis to suffer and enjoy. Therefore, those sinners, Prithva, having died, and because of their swakarmas, their own sinful doings, and they are being troubled. Ajyamana means they are being troubled by their own sins and all that. So the trouble is not anywhere outside coming, but it is always due to our. See, for example, when you are safe in the house, although you see clouds and all that, you don't believe rain. Oh, I will go reach the place, no rain comes. But actually, when you get out and go at a stage, suddenly rain starts and coming and drenches you. So that is how the uncertainty troubling us in our minds because of our own karma. So from people from birth to birth enjoy scope for improvement, and remedying the effects of sins committed would be helped by the vasavas. The gods to help to sanctify and elevate all beings. Who are the gods? The Surya Kiranas. The Aruna covers, Aruna is able to, Surya Kiranas are able to help us to do good or bad, both of them are there. And therefore, now we are making a prayer. Apaitam mrityum jayati. Chapani Kananchi, you got it? You got the text?
Yes, sir. Apaitum mrutyum jayati.
Apaitam mrityum jayati.
Apaitam mrutyum jayati.
Ya evam veda.
Ya evam veda.
Sakhalvaivam vitu.
Sakalvaivam vitu. Sakalvaivam vitu.
Dirgha sut with brahmana.
Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha.
Dirghasruttamo bhavati.
Dirghashruttamo bhavati.
Kasyapasya atithihi.
Kashyapasya atitihi.
Siddhagamanaha.
Siddhagamanaha. Siddhagamanaha.
So now in this particular passage, we come to know about the reward. So Phalasruti. So anybody who knows the philosophical wisdom that karma is important, punya vriddhi is important. If that is not done by us, we have to be born, we have to die, die. And if at all we are able to live some more time, be troubled by the gods or protected by the gods, like worms which live with great hope. And now in this place, it is said, the karma, the paras, that he who knows like this regarding the worms and all that, he will be really relieved of that kind of thing. He becomes a Brahman. Brahman means knower. Brahma Gnana Praptya. Brahma Gnana is the Tattva Gnana or real truth. And not only that, Dirgha Sruttamo Bhavati. See, he will become a Srut means famous, fame. Dirgha means long living. Tama is the super degree. So Sruttamaha means he will have the best fame that stands for a long time. He will become famous, and whose kirti will be worth to exist and to be liked by many people for a long time. So then what would happen if a person is like that, very much famous and kirtiman? He will be the guest of the Kashyapa Prajapati. Who is Kashyapa? Kashyapa is the Prajapati who is the source for all the Suryas. And all the Suryas are the children or sons of Kashyapa Prajapati. and he has deputed them all over the globe, and he has given him the necessary power, light, activity, and all that. So the desire of any Upasaka is ultimately to go to Kasyapa mountain. Samaha merum na jahati. He will be stable there, I mean staying there. He will not leave the Mahameru mountain, and he will be monitoring the administrative skills and powers and all that of all Suryas, who are 3 Suryas above, 3 Suryas below, and 1 Surya for Martanda. Like that, all Suryas, they are all trying to provide light and luster and sin and virtue, etc. to all people. And you will become eligible to visit that Kasyapa. And because Siddha Gamanaha, that means he will be able to visit the sun. And he will not get stuck there. He will be also moving away from the Kasyapa, but enjoying the light of the sun. So this is the to and fro movement from and up to Kasyapa Mandala is possible. That is the hope which is given in this particular passage. And on the other hand, there is one Nasadiya Sukta in Rigveda. The Dirgha Sruttamaha is the seer, and there's a lot of wisdom and creation details in that particular section. So Dirgha Sruttamaha, famous for a long time. And now you repeat, Ayasmin Vasavaha. Ayasmin Saptavasavaha Rohanti Purvyaruhaha Rushir Hadirkha Suttamaha Indrasya Gharmo Atithilithe. So now Govindra, please recite. So earlier we have been mentioned about the Dirgha Suttama, the bright seer, and he was very well honored to the Kasyapa Surya, and in whom all Suryas got posited. And before the sunrise. Therefore, the expression given in this Anuvaka is, repeat now, Ayasmin.
Ayasmin.
Saptavasavaha.
Saptavasavaha.
Rohanti Purvyaruhaha.
Rohanti Purvyaruhaha.
Rushirhadirkha Suttamaha.
Rushirhadirkha Sruttamaha.
Indrasya Gharmo Atithiriti.
Indrasya Gharmo Atithiriti.
Now, the Surya's Mahima is being narrated in this particular section. That is, in Surya Bhagavan, in the in the Surya Bhagavan or the Kasyapa Prajapati is one well honored, the great bright seer by name Dirghasuttama. And moreover, there are 7 Suryas who are born even before the creation. Purvya Ruha means that is born before the creation. All these sons have been born. And again, and they are posited in Surya Bhagavan, in Kasyapa Prajapati, and Indrasya Gharmoho Atithiriti. Aruna Prashna contributes to the post of Rigveda mythology. So, wherein we are able to get more and more characteristics of the various gods. So, the seer became eminent, and Kasyapa Surya was born, and after him the 7 Suryas. All that Surya arrangement has taken place before the creation, and ready to stand, ready to face the creation process. So we have got this Gharmaha. Gharma is the bright, shining forth very much brilliantly. So here, Gharmaha Atitihi Indrasya Rushihi Dirghasuttamaha. So it is a talk about the mythology or information regarding the great seer Dirghatamas. And also another point we should note here is that Kasyapa is also an Indra. Indra is very rich, known for brilliance and wealth. So eminence is always a quality worth recognition and honor to all people. So Indra Shabda actually is Sreshta Vachaka, and therefore it is that Indra Shabda is attributed to indicate Sreshtam. For example, Manujendrudaina Ramachandrudu, Chakaraja says. So that Indra Shabda is given to the man, and that man Manujendra is again characterized as to be Ramachandra. So like that the praise goes like that. So here you understand Dirghasuttama is respected, but he is a great Vedic seer, and Kasyapa himself has all that wealth and power that of Indra. Secondly, he is the dwelling place or emanating source of all the sons, 7 sons, and that is information that we get. Now please repeat next passage. Kasyapa pasyako bhavati.
Kashyapa pashyako bhavati.
Yat sarvam paripasyati iti saukshmyatu.
Yat sarvam paripashyati iti saukshmyat.
Athagnerashta purushasya.
Athagnerashta purushasya.
Tasyaisha bhavati.
Tasyaisha bhavati.
So now we are given information regarding the Kasyapa Prajapati or Kasyapa Surya, because he is the father of all of the other Suryas, because he has great regard for great Surya, great Rishis also. Ranking one of them, the highly ranking Rishi is the Dirghasuttama, and therefore what would be the ability of him? Kasyapaha pasyako bhavati. So that Kasyapa, owing to his sharp knowledge, would be able to perceive and find out everything in the universe. There is no knowledge that is hidden to Kasyapa Prajapati, He is all round. That's why we call him as a person known for omniscient, aware of. He knows any and everything, and therefore, and who is that person who is here, who is able to know everything? Such person is called as Pasyaka. So Pasyaka andre perceiver, the person who is capable of visualizing knowledge, the person who is able to traverse in all the frontiers of knowledge at different levels and get Sampurna Gnanam. Therefore, now you see Kasyapa, when you reverse the reading, Pasyaka, the name is also very significant. All Pasyakas become Pasyaka. అంటే చూడగలిగినటువంటి సామర్థ్యము జ్ఞానం ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ కశ్యపుడితో సమానం. In fact, we have got one clan, that's why with the surname Kashyapa, because they take the clan coming from the Kashyapa Maharshi. That's why because he's a Pasyaka, Sarvam Yatu Paripasyati. The iti, so iti is a conclusion or is a quotation from the previous scriptures, because every scripture tries to improve the knowledge on the basis of the knowledge already available. So nobody is independent and creative comparatively. It is something like saying Nakopi Atmanaha Skandham Avarohati. Nobody can stand upon his own shoulders. Everybody can stand on others' shoulders, but not upon his own shoulders. So, here also, that kind of, whenever there are quotations, it just means that he is going to be a Pasyaka, and it's the highest tribute indicating the unique ability involved with the personality. And Sauchmyat, you see the word Sauchmyat. Why that kind of extraordinary ability, perceptibility, knowledge, perfect comes to individuals? That the answer is Sauchmyat. Sauchmya means owing to very deep outlook, to be able to see even the smallest things meticulous, otherwise called Sushma Drishti. Sauchmya refers to Sushma Drishti. Though meticulous thought, the truth becomes revealed. That Sushma Drishti, grand example is Anjaneya. You know, when he went to Lanka, a foreign land, enemy land, no acquaintances, no previous knowledge, nothing. But because of the Sauchmya, which our Hanuman subsisted in his personality, he was able to be comfortable in Lanka. He never complained about Lanka. He never complained about any Rakshasa. He never complained about, he just went on gathering knowledge. That is the greatness of Hanuman's character. So that must be everybody's follow-up. Therefore, Sauchmyat Sarvam Pasyakaha Kasyapaha Paripasyati. So what is the power of Kasyapa Prajapati? Or because of the Sauchmya Shakti, because of the Suchma Shakti, because of that meticulous behavior and understanding power, there is nothing not known to him, including truths. See, what is the quest in life? ఎందుకు మనం అంతా ఇంతమంది ఉన్నామంటే నిజాన్ని తెలుసుకోవడానికి కోసం. Because we are always covered up with Maya. Every person, every god, everywhere, there is a Maya enveloping the person. Vishnu Maya, Shiva Maya, Krishna Maya, and Srinivas Maya, etc. Everybody has got Maya. Maya, in a sense, they cannot reveal themselves truthfully. రహస్యాలు పెట్టుకునే ఉంటారు. That's why it is said, Striyaha Chittam పురుషశ్చ విత్తం దేవో న జానాతి కుతో మనుష్య అని సామెత. అంటే ఆడవాళ్ళ యొక్క మనస్సు, డీప్ మనస్సు, మగవాళ్ళ యొక్క సంపదలు దేవుడికి కూడా తెలియదట. అందుకే అంటారు చిదంబర రహస్యము అంటారు.
ఓహో.
సో రహస్యము అనేది, ఆల్ ఉపనిషత్స్ ఆర్ సీక్రెట్ నాలెడ్జ్. Upanishad means rahasyam, but by virtue of now, and Upanishads are called also as vidyas. What is vidya? Vidya means tool, like screwdriver. So if you want to open the screw, you must have the driver. Therefore, each Upanishad is like is a vidya, will be helping you to know more and more about self. Atma Gnana, Paratma Gnana, Deha Gnana, etc. All Gnanas you are able to get up. Therefore, here, why you attribute so much eminence to or importance to Kashyapa Prajapati, now I think you know the reason.
Yes,
the reason is that he is a Pasyaka. That is, he is able to see through. Pasyaka means he is able to see through. Something like our X-ray. Or other electronic, medical equipments, which will read the functioning of the body inside. So that kind of material gadgets are all these. So that's what we call a Pasyakaha Bhavati. Now the subject little changes. Please repeat. Atha Agnerashta Purushasya.
Atha Agnerashta Purushasya.
Tasyaisha Bhavati.
Tasyaisha Bhavati.
Agre Naya Supatharaye Asman.
Agne Naya Supatharaye Asman.
Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan.
Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan.
Yuyodhyasmadjuhuranameno.
Yuyodhyasmadjuhuranamenaha.
Bhuishtham te namavuktim vidhema.
Bhuishtham te namavuktim vidhema.
Bhuishtham te namavuktim vidhema.
Bhuishtham te namavuktim vidhema.
So here, Agnehe Ashtapurushasya. Ashtapurushasya Agnehe. Agni has got, Agni is Surya Bhagavan. And Agni is Shiva or Rudra. Therefore, there are Ashtamurti is the knowledge. So Kalidasa in Abhijnana Sakuntalam ultimately makes a prayer in the Nandi Sloka, Ashtamurti Sakshatkara. That is, you will see Shiva, Rudra appearing in the Ashtamurtis, Panchabhutas, plus. And all these into Murtis together constitute the Shiva or Aruna or Agni. So, you know, you have already noted that. Braja Patara Patanga, Arogo, Braja Patara Patanga, Swarnaro Jyotishiman Vipasaha. So you have got that Suryas, and that is the Murti Rupam of Surya Bhagavan. Therefore, and also you have got that Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Khaga Pusha Hiranya Garbha Savitra Kamarichi Bhaskarebhyo Dvadasaditya. So these are all the division of the power of the sun god. Because sun is a big administrator. And being himself an administrator, he must want so many subsidiary officers in his office who look after various items of administration. So it's a divine administration. Therefore, here you have got eight murtis of Agni, and so the Aruna Prashna speaks of the Ashtapurusha of Lord Shiva in this particular expression, and because Agni, Surya, Rudra, etc., all are so powerful, so much powerful that they are capable of removing all our sins. What are the sins? Also have got a big division. That division of the sins accrued will be pointed out in Rigveda, Yajurveda, and all, with the words like Aghaha, Agaha, Papam, Agha, and Amsh. So like that we have got Durita. Well, we have got number of words. I have written 2 articles on the sin and virtue in the Rigveda, sin and virtue in the Yajurveda. I was on the verge of writing on sin and virtue in the Atharveda mantras, because this is the only thing that we have got to attend to upon in this birth, upon in this world. Already we have been given the notice. Here notice not much Nandi Srinivas garu.
Notice to yes, sir. Jananam Maranam.
That's one thing. For that, what is the base? Lokam cha punya papana. You have read it already. You noted down and you know.
Yes.
So
and do some revision, sir. A revision has to be done.
See, when I put like that, yes. I just prompt you to just glance through, so that you will have a continuity of knowledge about Suryagrama. ఎందుకండి ఎందుకు బతుకుతున్నాము ఈ లోకంలో అనుకుంటాం. ఈ లోకంలో ఎందుకు బతుకుతున్నాము అంటే లోకం అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి. You have to understand why is this world. This world is an opportunity striking punyam and papa. You can become a Kirtiman, you can become a Varsh, you can become Duryodhana, or you can become Dharmaraja. You can become Arjuna and you can become Krishna.
And about birth and rebirth also, you have mentioned so much and so clarity, which is you cannot read and get this at all. Even Ashatika Krimaya Eva is something.
Yeah. Oh. We are all living with expectation, hope, and prosperity.
Yes.
And because there are more disappointments than appointments. See, actually, we have apply, no reply.
Yes.
If reply comes, that is something. So, if you are like that, here lokam cha punya papana. Therefore, in this kind of state, when we are put, what is that we want from this Ashtamurti Agni? ఈ అష్టమూర్తులని పేరు పెట్టుకున్నటువంటి అగ్నుల నుంచి శివుడు సూర్యుడి నుంచి మనకి ఏం కావాలి అంటే అస్మాన్ నయా. నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ టెల్ యూ, అయ్యా అగ్నిదేవుడా మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ మార్గంలో నడిపించు. యు ప్లీజ్ మేక్ us walk in a righteous path, supatha. The pathway that you guide us must be quite pleasant and fordable, not with stones, thorns, and like rugged, etc., dusty. అలాంటి రోడ్లో పోవడం కష్టం మనకు, డోంట్ లైక్. దాని అటువంటి మంచి రోడ్లో వెళ్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ది గోల్ దట్ వి హావ్ గాట్ టు అటైన్? రాయే. రాయ్ అని సంపద. సంపద అంటే అపాయింట్మెంట్స్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ అపాయింట్మెంట్స్, మోర్ salary, less work, high comfort, more facilities, is all come under the expression Raya. So to obtain wealth, Raya also means Punyam. Double unte punyavantudu kadandi. Yasyasti vattam sanarakulinaha. Varthavari cheppichan patham. Sanaraha panditaha sasrutavan gunagnaha sayeva vakta సజదర్శనీయః. కడాకు ఏమంటాడు ఆయన? సర్వే గుణాః కాంచనమాశ్రయంతి. డబ్బున్న వాడికే లోకం. ఎటువంటి సీట్ అయినా ఎక్కి కూర్చోవచ్చు.
Yes, sir.
కాబట్టి
Sir, Raye
అస్మా-
in
Raye-
Chamakam today you mentioned Raye
రాయ
in Chamakam. Raye is work,
వెల్త్.
administration. Yeah.
డబ్బులు కావాలి అంటే జాగ్రత్తగా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి కదా.
Uh-huh.
అదర్వైజ్ సింప్లీ లక్ష్మి వోంట్ కమ్ టు యూ.
Yes.
You have to open a shop, you have to bring so many variety of things, commodities, and wait for the profit. అందుకే షాప్స్ పొద్దున 6 గంటలకు తెరిస్తే రాత్రి 10:30 గంటలకు వస్తారు. Sometimes the luck at 10 o'clock, 5-6 customers will come and pester the fellow. Before that, he will be simply idling the shop. So that's why business means it is not continuous flow. Sometimes flood, sometimes no flood at all. That's why, but not having this kind of dejection and engagement, we should have a normal course. That's what is called supatha. We should not get vexed at the same time overwhelmed by that. Why this kind of activity? Because Agni knows our calendar. Vayunani Deva Agne Veda. See, oh Devata, నీకు అన్నీ తెలుసు, నాకు తెలియదు. So what is the difference between human and divine? Human is limited company, limited bank. So, but this other one is called unlimited. But Agni is knowing the unlimited things. Therefore, you are thinking of Agni to help you to choose the pathway for you. Is it not? See,
Yes, sir.
we always are at the crossroads. We don't know which road we have to take. But your mind, that is Rudra Prerana or Devata Prerana, tells you, you go in this way.
Yes, sir.
So, Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan. And what about your part? You have given work for the Agni. But my part is Juhuranameno Yudhya Yuyodha. See, I have got lot of serious sins with me. But I am trying to check my destiny and work in such a manner that my work will be helpful for you to help me. మీరు పని చేయడం మొదలెడితే 10 మంది చేరుతారు కదండి. పనే మొదలు పెట్టకపోతే అందరూ వాళ్ళ పాటు భోజనం చేస్తుంటారు. So if one person tries to start the work, that's what is the manager or that. So CEO వచ్చినాడా లేదా అనుకోవడం కాదు. So you have to think that you should start the work. When you start the work, people join. అందుకే వాడు కండక్టర్ అంటాడు, ఇంజన్ స్టార్ట్ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. డ్రైవరు ఇంజన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి హార్న్ కొడితే
all will come in.
అందరూ వస్తారు. That is to say that Agni work is starting the engine and getting ready is Agni's job.
Agni's job, yes.
And to make that Agni work, we have to all gather. Therefore, Asmat Juhuranamena. So we are working, you are supporting. Because of this kind of mutual work, we are very much benefited. Because we are benefited, what is that acknowledgement that we can do for you? Te namavuktim budhema. Neeku namaskaram ane maatu cheptunnanu. You may not be able to fold your hands, but your mouth is free. So at least you say through your mouth, Namaha, Namaskaram. Because Agni, Surya, Rudra, they are all pleased with just Namaskara. Namaskara Priyo Bhanuho. Bhagavantudu, Surya Bhagavan, if you just salute him, he will become totally pleased. So what is true to Rudra? That's why whenever you start reciting Rudram, what you say, Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. So Om Namo Bhagavate, when you want to Bhagavate Rudraya Namaha, with that you open the whole show. And that will be a very powerful status where you are acknowledging. So work given to the God for smoother thing, and your readiness to start the work and continue the work. And in order that the God is coming and joining you, you have to acknowledge your humility or docility towards him. Don't do anything more, just to say namaskar. You need not give a fruit, you not give a flower, you not give food. Simply say namaskaramandi. And with that namaskara, Rudra feels highly brutalized. See, namaskaram is younger, other people doing to elders. But what does God do? He will give a hug. See, all through Hanuman did a service to Anjaneya, to Rama. And ultimately, what did Rama give? He just hugged him, that's all. He cannot do more gratitude expression than simply giving a hug. Therefore, it became Rama Anjaneya. Understand? So, there is no difference between Rama and Anjaneya. Because wherever Rama is remembered, Anjaneya will be sitting and listening. Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam. So, like that, we have been told that there is that cut. So, that kind of facility is there. And not 1, 2, 3 times. When you are obliged and when you are satisfied and when you are made happy, you can give any number of namaskaras, any number of gifts to them. మీకు చాలా సంతోషం అయిపోతే 10 మడల పూలతో అలంకారం చేస్తాం. అదర్వైజ్ 1-2 మడలు తెచ్చేసి నమస్కారం చాలేవే అంటాం. సో our capacity depends upon our happiness, at the same time eligibility or శక్తి అనుగుణంగా ఉంటుంది. So I think please repeat Agnenaya Supatha-raye asman.
Agnenaya Supatha-raye asman Vishwani Deva Vayunani Vidwan Yuyodhyasmajjuhurana meno Bhuishtante namavuktim vidhemeti.
Vidhema iti.
Oh, vidhema iti. Yes,
so iti means you understood that it's a quotation drawn from Rigveda. It is not original in Taittiriya Aranyaka. See, acknowledgement buddhi ఆ రోజుల నుంచే ఉంది. ఈ రోజుల్లో అక్నాలెడ్జ్ చేయకుండా నాదే అంటారు కానీ మోసం చేస్తారు. ప్లాజియారిజం ఇస్ దేర్. బట్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఋషి కల్చర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి గ్రేట్ఫుల్, ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ యువర్ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ ఫార్ ది పూర్వాచార్యాస్. You know, in Venkateswara Suprabhatam, that they say that all Purvacharyas praised you too much. And I am just doing accordingly as per the Guru. So Shankar, Balaji's, Venkatramana Swami's praise or any God's praise is not today made. There is a lot of tradition flowing through. The Venkateswara Suprabhatam is composed by a person in 13th century AD. So the same Suprabhatam is sustaining all these years. Lakhs of people have heard it or hearing it would hear. సో ఆ అయ్యంగారికి నేను పేరు మర్చిపోయినప్పుడు ఆ అయ్యంగారికి ఎన్ని వేల నమస్కారాలు ఎంతమంది వేసింటారు చూడండి. He has picturized the personality.
Deshika, is it Deshika, sir? Deshika.
So somebody, I know the name, but I'm not getting it. I can write down.
Alvar Deshika.
He has done it in 13th century. He tried to code or collect all information about Vishnu Mahima and then put it in a very wonderful, beautiful, rhythmic prose. And to begin with, he has copied Valmiki Ramayana. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate. Uttishta Narasardula Kartavyam Devamanjam. So Aruna Prasthana kuda మనం వెంకటరమణ స్వామి తలుచుకున్నాం శ్రీనివాసుని. Okay, and today we stop here.
Yes, sir.
and we continue next session because probably previous notice has not been given.
Uh-huh.
So everybody is asking, Varna Prashna unda leda ani adugutuntaru. Best Rama Yamanur or you must take initiative to confirm that at this hour there is Aruna Prashna.
Yes. I think we'll make, I'll request him to make a group only, sir, because IT, I'm not very IT savvy.
Yeah,
I'll request him.
Rama has done the group, WhatsApp group,
Yes, sir.
Aruna Prashna CLP group and Chesnadu.
Okay.
So only thing is we have to become members for that. In WhatsApp group, he has done the group.
Okay.
So next time you ask him, he or you must give notice because people are too busy.
Yes, yes. Unless we
And-
send the reminder, yeah, it's not easy.
So in India, it's a dinner time. In America, it is a breakfast time
Breakfast time.
or even otherwise. Okay,
Yes.
Om Sahana
Okay.
Bhavatu.
Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Saha Viryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavadhi Tamastuma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari
Harihi
Om.
Om. Sarvam Sri Krishna.
Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Veda Purusha Ashirvadostu.
Om Tat Satu.
That's it. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Guruji.